Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can order and pay on TEMU app. It's pretty simple. Now to pay, basically you can either add a credit card when you're about to pay for the product, or you can just add the credit or debit card before you pay for it. For that, you can click on you and basically click on where it says settings. Inside setting, click on your payment methods. From over here, click on add a credit or debit card and add a payment method on your TEMU app. Once you add a payment method on your TEMU app, when you're about to purchase the product, it's going to be way easier for you to actually buy it, because you don't have to enter your credit or debit card detail every single time you want to buy something. Now over here, you can go on home and search for the product you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this random little thing over here. I'm just going to go for this dress. I will click on add to cart. Once I add to cart, I will just choose the size and click on add to cart. Once it's added to my cart, I can see the green cart option at the bottom left. I can click on it and I can click on checkout. Once I click on checkout, all the product which I have chosen is going to be over here. I can click on continue to checkout, and from over here I need to enter my full name and my street address, basically the place where I live, because the product has to be delivered to me. After I fill this entire form up correctly, I can click on save and my product will be ordered. And since I've already added my payment method already, that payment method is going to be used to purchase the product. So I hope you understand how you guys can order and pay on TEMU app. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.